Do you need a new roof or HOA roofing in Windsor, Colorado? How about making sure your home or business is secure and protected? At Denny's Roofing LLC, we believe that every home deserves to have the best possible roof. We take pride in our work, so we are committed to making sure that you feel stress-free during and after the roofing process. We specialize in residential and commercial roofs, and are well known for our quality work at fair prices. Our team of experts will work closely with you throughout the process to make sure every step is clear and easy. We maintain high standards of quality at every stage in the process, from our initial consultation to the installation and repair of your new roof. We're proud to offer a complete 5-star service guarantee that ensures your experience with us will be nothing but positive. We're committed to more than just doing a good job. We want you to feel great about working with us. Let us handle all of the hard work for you, from free consultation to estimates and even installation. Choosing the right roofing contractor can be tough, but we'll make it easy for you. Contact us today at 970-545-0099. Don't just take our word for it. Check out our reviews by visiting our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/windsor-roofing-company. Whether you're looking for a roof replacement or just some routine maintenance, Denny's Roofing LLC is here to help.